If there was ever a statement I made in filmmaking, it was, I want to be the participant, not the spectator. That's where camera cars came from. Days of Thunder came along, and suddenly there was this NASCAR-based tube frame, badass black camera car that I could ride on the back of, keep up with anything I was shooting, and it suddenly gave me a platform to be right in the middle of the action. And then along the way, we had the option on a Panamera, big brakes, big acceleration. It would do over 100 miles an hour. But the idea, that feeling of being part of the action, we want to feel what it's like to be there. It's been fun at this event because I've been on the other side of the camera than I usually am. And so watching the crews cover me both in stills and in film, two different vehicles, you know, it's just entertaining for me to see it from that reverse angle. You show up with a Taycan, silent, but you know, this thing is quick. All of a sudden you put camera equipment on it, you do all that kind of thing. Everything is absolutely on. There's a feeling of instantaneous performance in a Taycan that we don't have in other cars. Plus, it's silent, so you actually can hear yourself.
I don't think a Taycan's ever been wheeled this hard. Hey! That was cool. Oh my god. Some good ass driving.
It's bothered me. There's one thing on the lens. There's a little speck.
We've been,
okay.
It's been there
good.
for days.
All right,
yeah.
good.